Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. It's your boy, Sebastian, back with another video. Today we've got something super exciting for you. Buckle up because we're counting down the top 10 crazy facts that will absolutely blow your mind. You won't believe some of these, I'm telling you. Alright folks, let's kick things off with a real head-scratcher. You know how much I love history, right? Well, get this, the shortest war in history lasted only 38 minutes. You heard me right, 38 minutes. It was the Anglo-Zanzibar War of 1896, and it all went down in Zanzibar between Britain and, well, Zanzibar. The British were not too happy with the new Sultan, a guy named Khalid bin Bargash. They wanted their own guy in charge, so they gave the Sultan an ultimatum: surrender or face the music. The Sultan, he was feeling a little frisky, I guess, because he said, "Bring it on." Big mistake. The British unleashed their navy on Zanzibar's palace, and 38 minutes later it was all over. Shortest war ever. Next up, we're talking about honey, the food of the gods. You know how they say honey never spoils? Well, they aren't kidding. Archaeologists have actually found pots of honey in ancient Egyptian tombs that are over 3,000 years old. And guess what? It's still edible. Can you imagine that? 3,000-year-old honey. It's like a time capsule of deliciousness. They say it's all thanks to the bees, those magical little creatures. Honey has this special enzyme that prevents bacteria from growing, so it basically lasts forever. I'm not sure I'd be brave enough to try 3,000-year-old honey, but hey, more power to you if you're feeling adventurous. Alright, space fans, this one's for you. Let's talk about Venus, the second planet from the Sun, and one seriously weird place. You know how we have this whole 24-hour day, 365-day year thing here on Earth? Well, Venus decided to do things a little differently. On Venus, a day is actually longer than a year. I know, right? Mind-blowing. It takes Venus about 243 Earth days to rotate once on its axis, which is a day in Venus time. But get this, it only takes 225 Earth days for Venus to orbit the Sun, which is a year in Venus time. So technically, a day on Venus is longer than a year on Venus. Talk about confusing. It makes you appreciate our little blue planet a whole lot more, doesn't it? Chapter 4. Bananas are berries? What? This next fact is going to make you question everything you thought you knew about fruit. Okay, get ready for this. Bananas are berries, but strawberries aren't. I know, it makes no sense. You want to argue with this shirt? Go ahead, it's made of 100% truth. But it's true. It all comes down to botany, the science of plants. You see, a berry is a fruit that develops from a single flower with one ovary and contains many seeds. Think blueberries, raspberries, even watermelons. Bananas fit that description perfectly. Strawberries, on the other hand, are what's called aggregate fruits, meaning they develop from a single flower with multiple ovaries. So there you have it, folks. Bananas berries, strawberries not berries. The world is a strange and wonderful place. Chapter 5, more stars than grains of sand. All right, let's talk about the universe for a second, people. It's big, really big, like mind-bogglingly big. And you know what else is big? The number of stars in the universe. Are you ready for this? Scientists estimate that there are more stars in the universe than grains of sand on all the Earth's beaches combined. Can you even wrap your head around that? It's like trying to count to infinity and beyond. Our galaxy alone, the Milky Way, has billions of stars, and there are billions upon billions of galaxies out there, each one bursting with stars. It makes you feel pretty small, doesn't it? But hey, at least we're part of something amazing. Chapter 6, 3 hearts, that's an octopus. Next up, we're diving into the ocean to meet some seriously cool creatures. Octopuses. These 8-armed wonders are already pretty amazing, right? They can change color, squeeze through tiny spaces, and even squirt ink. But hold on to your hats, folks, because it gets even crazier. Octopuses have 3 hearts. You heard me right, 3 hearts. Two of their hearts pump blood through their gills, while the third one keeps the blood flowing to the rest of their body. And that's not all. They also have 9 brains. 2 of them are located in their heads and the other 7 are in their arms. Talk about overachievers. Chapter 7, Lightning, the ultimate toaster. All right, let's talk about lightning, that electrifying force of nature. It's powerful, it's dangerous, and it's also surprisingly toasty. You know how much I love toast, right? Well, get this. A single bolt of lightning contains enough energy to toast 100,000 slices of bread. That's a lot of toast, people. I'm talking breakfast, lunch, and dinner for a whole year. Lightning bolts can reach temperatures of up to 50,000 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 5 times hotter than the surface of the sun. So, yeah, I think it's safe to say that lightning packs a punch. Next time you see a thunderstorm rolling in, maybe think twice about making toast the old-fashioned way. Chapter 8. The Eiffel Tower grows in the summer. Let's hop over to Paris, the city of lights, and check out one of the most iconic landmarks in the world. The Eiffel Tower. It's tall, it's beautiful, and guess what? It's also a bit of a shapeshifter. You see, the Eiffel Tower can actually grow up to 15 centimeters taller during the summer months. It's all thanks to thermal expansion, the tendency of matter to change in volume in response to temperature changes. When it gets hot, the iron beams that make up the tower expand, causing the whole structure to grow slightly taller. It's like the Eiffel Tower is stretching after a long winter's nap. Chapter 9. Bananas, our long-lost relatives. This next fact is for all you banana lovers out there. Get ready to embrace your inner ape, because humans share 50% of their DNA with bananas. I know, it sounds bananas, but it's true. We may look different, act different, and taste different, but deep down, we're all just a bunch of genetic cousins. We share a common ancestor with bananas, way back in the evolutionary timeline. It's a reminder that life on Earth is interconnected in some pretty amazing ways. So next time you're enjoying a banana, take a moment to appreciate your distant, fruity relative. Chapter 10. Clouds, fluffy, and £1,000,000. Last but not least, let's talk about clouds. Those fluffy white marshmallows in the sky. They look so light and airy, like you could just reach out and grab a handful. But don't be fooled, folks, because clouds are heavier than you might think. In fact, a single cloud can weigh more than £1,000,000. That's like having 500 elephants floating above your head. It's crazy, right? But how do they stay up there? It's all about density. Clouds are made up of tiny water droplets or ice crystals that are spread out over a large area. This makes them less dense than the air around them, allowing them to float. It's like magic, but with science. And there you have it, folks. 10 crazy facts that are sure to blow your mind. I told you, you wouldn't believe some of these. From the shortest war in history to the surprising weight of clouds, the world is full of wonders that never cease to amaze. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing content. Let me know in the comments which facts surprised you the most. See you next time.